Hi creators! Now let me show you how to create your own avatar within just a few clicks. Go to Avatars, create Instant Avatar and get started. Upload the footage. We recommend you to submit a 30-second long video filmed by phone or camera. Check and tick these 4 boxes. And then you need to record a consent video. All you have to do is put your name on the line and read it out when recording. Click on Start Recording, then wait for the countdown and read it clearly. Moreover, you can record the same authentication words through another device and upload. For now, let me upload the consent video we recorded previously. Click Done and wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, good, that's done. You are ready to use your own avatar. And after that, let me show you how to use our showroom platform and our Power Video tool to create your shoppable video in just a few clicks and start selling right away. All you need to do is navigate our showroom and choose one product you want to sell. You can click here to copy the product link. Go to your TikTok studio, click Add Product, and paste your product link here. And it will automatically add to your showcase. Okay, we're all set now, and let's go back to the showroom and start making the video. Then, click this camera button and it will lead you straight to our Power Video tool. Beside the image of the product from the shop, you can also see the product footage taken by our Zavvi showroom staff, and confirm. You can see the product name, the description, and all the media here. And also you can change the aspect ratio, the length, and also the language. There are so many languages for you to choose. And press Next. Then choose one of your favorite scripts and press Next. Click here and wait 1 second. Let's change our avatar first. Add a music. And back to template, you will see there are different templates for you to choose. Click Quick Edit to adjust more. In here, you can change the transition and layout. Then, you can replace the medium. Our video tool automatically cut the video into different second clips. You can trim by yourself and choose one of the clips you want. Click Save. And let's render this video. Wait 1 second. And let me download it for you to see the result.
Ever tried chasing a toddler with the energy of a sleepy sloth? I did once. Spoiler alert, the toddler won, my knees didn't. Then I found Nature Planet Soursop drops, packed with vitamins and pure goodness. Now I'm the one sprinting and the toddler begging for snack breaks. Boost your energy and immunity naturally, because life doesn't wait for naps.